Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change starter on Infiniti G37, easy method. Begin by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and securing the car with jack stands. Remove the intake or engine cover to access the starter location. Unplug the wiring harness and label connections to avoid mistakes. Support the starter as you remove mounting bolts, then swap the old starter for the replacement and reattach all bolts and connectors securely. Start by locating the starter near the transmission bell housing and clear any obstructions like intake piping. Disconnect the electrical connectors and the main positive cable from the starter solenoid. Use a 13 mm or 14 mm socket as needed and support the starter while removing the mounting bolts to prevent it from dropping. Carefully lower the old starter and inspect the mounting area for corrosion before installing the new unit. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a portable reader that's great to stash in your glove box between jobs and keeps manuals handy on the go. It feels like a lightweight, durable companion while you work on cars. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Position the replacement starter and thread mount bolts by hand to avoid cross-threading and ensure proper alignment. Tighten bolts to the correct torque and reconnect the main battery cable and signal connector. Reinstall any removed intake or shields and lower the vehicle off the jack stands. Reconnect the battery negative terminal and perform a test start to confirm successful installation and that there are no unusual noises or warning lights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.